people can say what they want to say. Justin Bieber ain't no bitch.
Yeah.
He showed he got heart. He showed he ain't no bitch. So it's all respect.
Think you're going to fight him again? But do you think, has he trained with you since or lately at all?
I'm working with him in the gym. I like what he did the other day.
Okay.
So Floyd Mayweather says Justin Bieber has a lot of heart. He's not a bitch. What I'm trying to figure out, let me see what Justin Bieber's net worth is. Okay, his net worth is $200 million. And Justin Bieber, you got knocked the hell out. You ain't supposed to get knocked out being worth $200 million. How you get knocked out and you worth $200 million? So apparently, Justin Bieber got his ass knocked out at the Cavs game last night. He needs to hire security like Floyd Mayweather has. Get you 40 or 50 security guards like Mayweather got. Do you see Floyd Mayweather getting knocked the hell out? No. He got 400 or 500 security guards walking with him at all mother-loving times. So, Bieber, why are you getting knocked the hell out at a Cavs game and you worth $200 million mother-loving dollars? Makes absolutely no sense. Hire you some security, man. You don't need to be getting knocked out at Cavs game, Lakers games, or no other games. It don't make no mother-loving sense. You a young guy. Worry about these women, man. Get you some women. Stop getting knocked out at these games, man. You got too much money on your hands to be letting this shit happen to you. So, I just heard about the shit. I ain't even know Bieber got knocked out. But he held his own. He put up a good fight. But come on, man. You got security. Hire you some security, man. Come on, Bieber. You better than this now. You better than this, Bieber. Protect yourself at all times, bruh. You got $200 million. That's your net worth. You got all these hit songs, man. Hire you some security, Bieber. Y'all let me know what y'all think of Bieber getting knocked the hell out. Damn shame. Like, comment, and subscribe.